attention now to a story that has the social media talking and debating. The clarification by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on GST on popcorn has sparked outrage among citizens, with many reacting to the news with memes. The Finance Minister, during the last GST Council meeting, gave a clarification on the GST rates on popcorn, and she said that ready-to-eat popcorn with salt and spices attracts 5% GST, while the same thing, pre-packaged and pre-labeled, attracts 12% GST as it is considered a namkeen. However, the same popcorn, when turned caramel and caramelized by adding sugar, attracts 18% GST as it becomes a sugar confectionery. Since the flavor and ingredients change the character, the tax slabs also change. Listen in to the clarification by the Finance Minister.
पॉपकॉर्न का ट्रीटमेंट में जब तक वो नमकीन है, सॉल्टेड है, मसाला एडेड है, चटपटा मसाला है, चिली पाउडर है, कुछ हो, वो सब 5%, am I right? 5%. But when it has added caramelized sugar, it is no longer namkeen. इसीलिए उसका रेट अलग है.
Now, economists have criticized this decision, and the Congress party netas have also spoken about the Gabbar Singh tax, Bob. In fact, with union budget less than 40 days away, the Congress has asked if the government will also launch GST 2.0. Listen in.
It's taken a genius to complicate popcorn, and we must, instead of the GST in the G, now it stands for gobbledygook as far as I'm concerned. It's taken a genius to complicate, and we must, instead of the GST in the G, now it stands for gobbledygook as far as I'm concerned.
Modi government is taxing each and everything for all the eatables. You have popcorn with salt at 5% GST. Popcorn which is packaged is 12% GST. Popcorn with caramel is 18% GST. So one popcorn is categorized in 3 stages and different tax is applicable. And how is it a simple tax? It's the most complicated tax designed to fleece the people, designed to loot the people. So it is the Gabbar Singh tax. The people of the country, and they will definitely teach Modi government a befitting lesson in coming days.
Common people are subjected to such an harassment. They have to pay GST on everything, and there is a GST council. Already state governments are complaining they are not getting their due share. But the other problem is the common people who buys small things, they need to pay GST on everything, and corporate houses are being given tax concession.
The BJP, meanwhile, has targeted the states on this. Listen in.
क्यों नहीं लगाना चाहिए? और जो विरोध कर रहे हैं उनसे पूछो कि अपने राज्य के अंदर जीएसटी कम करेंगे वो? केंद्र में जाके अलग राजनीति करते हैं, राज्य के अंदर जो राजनीति करते हैं राज्य के अनुसार करते हैं, जीएसटी बढ़ता है उसके लिए कुछ नहीं बोलते क्योंकि उनको कमाई होती है. जो लोग क्रीमी लेयर के ऊपर जाकर आने को अनेक तरीके से कोई भी उपयोग करते हैं तो उनका देश में भी भागीदारी बनती है कि देश के विकास में भी काम दे.